If your central air conditioner is running but not cooling, it's essential to address the issue promptly to avoid discomfort and potential system damage. Start by checking the thermostat to ensure it's set to cool and the air filter to see if it needs cleaning or replacement. However, for more complex problems, it's crucial to consult a qualified HVAC technician. They will diagnose the issue, which could range from low refrigerant levels to a faulty compressor, and perform the necessary repairs. Remember, handling refrigerant or working with electrical components is dangerous and should only be done by a professional. Regular maintenance, such as annual system inspections and monthly air filter checks, can help prevent many common issues. For urgent situations like a gas smell or smoke, stop the system immediately and contact emergency services or a technician. Our guide provides a comprehensive look at troubleshooting, repair, and maintenance tips to keep your central air conditioner working efficiently and safely.